Hi guys, Big Boss here. I don't show again. How na dey? I hope say una life jollof today. Guys, I appreciate una dey try everything I do for my channel. Thank you. The views, subscription, now thank you. And I beg me I continue. So back to my video. For this my sharp video, I wan give una 5 signs wey be say if una don see say una girlfriend dey do am, e mean say your girlfriend don collect visa, she wan waka leave you. So make we go straight dem. I go list tell them briefly, sharp. Okay, we'll count them normally from 5 to 1. So number 5, now be casual dressing. You don't see your girlfriend don't dey dress casually, they dress sweet, they dress to match, they dress to kill. Everything just sweet, jollof from nowhere. Nobody give her the money. You know now she take get the money. She no tell you. This one I be girl say before when I first initially she just now when you even tell her say me she dress this and that or dress proper like that. Now she don't turn to fashion designer. It simply mean say my guy say she won't work out. She don't get new bobo. We don't the arranger and then another guy the sponsor all these clothes which she dey wear. Number 4, posting on her DM. When too much posting don't plenty for DM, girl dey here the snap pap, snap there pap, snap here pap, photo just the snap. They do selfie 24/7 and she dey post am maybe for her media handle, maybe for WhatsApp, maybe for Snapchat or Facebook. And you come dey hear comment like, you look nice. Oh, you look like pancake. Oh, you look chocolate. Oh, you are takeaway. And the guy be that oh. Now coded then they give you. If you not observe, the girl don't the waka. She just won't land softly for you. Number 3, 9B outing, visitation. This girl before when I start initially, she know they come out go anywhere. But nowadays, anytime you come home, she know day. You come check her morning, afternoon, night, she know day. They say she come out go see her friend. Now lie you. Now that her new guy she dey package with. Now that guy now they give her a pill she to go meet. And meanwhile, they tell you say she don't come out. Now lie. E just show say she wan waka leave you. Number 2, 9B misbehavior. Wetin I mean? You go see woman initially when you dey enter, when you call her, she no go even allow the phone ring. She go don carry am. Your woman, your babe go don carry phone. You go just ring hand one. You no even ring finish. You don run carry. But nowadays you go call. She go put you on hold. You go call. And then at the end of the day, man say after you drop, she no go even call you back. Then when you come call, she come pick again. You come say she come ask you yes, hello, I dey hear. Waiting. Don't hear that tone. You hear this tone I tell you. This tone show say nothing for you again. Nothing for you. Go say akara. Moi, nothing for you. Now waka she dey, so she don't collect visa. Now that guy level she do. She don't get replacement for you. Last one, number 1, 9B in private phone call. In private phone call simply means say when call enter her phone, she will get up, leave that place where she did. She fit go enter bathroom, toilet, kitchen, or bedroom, or come out even outside where una dey together. She go answer that call. That be in private call. So it means say she dey go arrange you outside. And anytime we say she come out that kind way, and that her new bobo now call her. And na him dey reign now because your own time don't pass. She don't collect visa and she won't work out with that. So the excuse is plenty and the signs plenty, but this one I then be the major fight will be say for this our level face we get phone call, we get phone for and if it don't happen, just no say yes, you don't finish you don't rent your own time, your house rent don't expire for a place. Now that guy won't collect that your space where you don't get before. So now this one with the 5 signs will be say you go start to the see if your girl won't work out. Mean again, my name now Big Bros. Subscribe, like, share with your guys, G's and Bobos. Until block again now, I don't work out.